Okay, time to reassemble the gas tank. Not much to it here, as you can see. I also want to point out that it's kind of humorous here that, or maybe a little disconcerting, I guess, that the person that assembled this petcock is also the one that inspected it. Hopefully this is alright. Not 100% sure on the exact placement of these, but I think they go thereabouts. Don't forget to take the plastic coating off of the fuel filter. And yes, I am going to put this in backwards. It's backwards for OEM would be regular for me. I prefer to be able to see the valve. turn that off so we don't get any little surprises. There it is. Oh yeah, I should put a little protective sticker over this wear spot here. So try to keep it from wearing out even more, wearing right through. I like the OEM gas cap. I don't know why so many people are going to the aftermarket aluminum ones. I like this one just fine. Anyways, gotta put this thing away. Seems like the more I handle it, the more scratches I put in it. Hopefully the hopefully these adhesive things stay on. Anyways, there it is. That's it for now.